The Oiler 10 is a program that pretty much on base level is a way to create experiential learning opportunities inside of a classroom structure on campus. So we're able to work with clients and do real life work in a business setting, just in a little bit of a different strategic approach.
We do everything from, we do graphic design work, a little bit of videography, to like social media strategies, marketing plans, analytics, tracking, stuff like that. So kind of all over the board as far as marketing goes.
What's special about the Oiler 10 is that it's real world stuff that we're doing, experiences. We're meeting real people, real owners of companies and CEOs, and it's stuff that you don't learn in the classroom. It's a lot of hands-on work and getting exposed to things that you normally wouldn't in a school setting.
You know, I think at the end of the day, it really comes down to the relationships, and the goal is to try to do everything differently, right? And we talk a lot about above and beyond mentality and disrupting the educational process in a good way. You know, the students we meet on Wednesday mornings at 5 a.m. They're doing work over breaks. They're handling conference calls with the clients. You know, everything they're doing is they're operating a business. They have their structures, they have their policies. We run off of this internal, pretty much intranet that they've created. So everything about it is to try to do things differently in a way that they're getting extreme real world experience on campus before they get to that point.
What's special about the Oiler 10, definitely the people in it. From, you know, top of the chain, our fearless leader, Dr. Grant, to the people that sit to the left and right of me. They've made the process of being in the Oiler 10 like super easy, and it's given me just an excitement to wake up early. As weird as I thought I'd never say that, I'm excited to wake up early for the meetings because I get to learn new things and just be with the people that I want to be with. So.
This is really a good experience for us before we get out into the real world to make our mistakes. So I've made a lot of mistakes in the Oiler 10, but it's been so good because I get to fix them and I get to learn and I get to get better. So I would say that's one way I benefited for sure.
The Oiler 10 is really special because you have people here that actually want to be here. Like in our classes, you know, you go to class every day and you're forced to do homework, but here, like, people find their passions, and people that have graduated, they're doing exactly what they did in the Oiler 10, and they found that here, and I think that's really special to find your niche. I think the Oiler 10 has provided that.
Be comfortable with becoming uncomfortable. So, you know, learning new things every time I step in here, and even throughout the week when we're finishing our work for clients and stuff, it's just taught me to stay uncomfortable and really just keep finding new things and keep challenging myself. So I think that's the biggest benefit it's had for me.